Today we're going to be adding the Mapei Ultracolor Plus FA Rapid Setting Grout on our brand new floor here. So if you're looking for a grout that you can mix at your own pace, one that you can use with pavers, tiles, ceramic or porcelain, or even backsplash, this one is for you. I've worked with a lot of grouts and this is probably one of the easiest grouts that I've worked for. It's actually the fastest setting one that I've used, at least for the price. The joint width is from 1/16 all the way to 3/4. For the 3/4, you do want to make sure that the mix is a lot more denser.
So we're going to 250 mil, 2.5 pounds, and mix it for 5 minutes. You can mix it with a drill or you can mix it with a stir stick like this. What you're looking for is a consistency of a pancake batter. So you see how it's not dripping? That's good. Now you could have it drip just a little bit if you want it to have a little more work time, but if you know what you're doing, then this is actually good. You see how it's not falling? So the tools: bucket, grout float, sponge, paper towels, garbage bag.
Now this is a replacement for sanded and unsanded grout. It has increased stain resistance compared to the other cement grouts.
Just pretty.
What you will find with this grout is the color is always consistent. There's no shrinkage at all, and this is an efflorescence-free grout.
Next step is grab a sponge and start wiping off the excess. So you just dip it, squeeze out all the water, and then start where you started first, because this would have dried by now, and then just glide over it, making sure that you don't take the grout out. Hopefully this is dry enough now. And that's basically it. And then clean your sponge every so often. And then when you're done, grab a cheesecloth, or like to use a paper towel, and then just grab the paper towel and wipe it. And then you're done.